Compared to vibratory finishing equipment, the Trowal Turbotron centrifugal disc finishing machines offer an up to 10 times higher grinding intensity. These high-energy machines are mainly used for removing strong burrs and radiusing of sharp edges on the workpieces. However, by utilizing special process technologies, they are equally suitable for surface smoothing and even polishing. The hydraulic workpiece loader is lined with a textured surface structure. This prevents thin, flat workpieces from sticking to the sidewalls and bottom of the loader. The rotation of the spinner in the base of the work bowl creates a centrifugal force that pushes the mix of media and workpieces up the stationary cylindrical wall of the work bowl. With a diminishing kinetic energy and increasing gravity, the media workpiece mix slides back onto the rotating spinner where it is accelerated again. The actual grinding effect is caused by the intensive rubbing of the media against the workpieces. The process intensity can be easily altered by adjusting the amount of process water injected into the machine. To prevent premature wear, the gap area between rotating spinner and stationary work bowl is continuously monitored and rinsed between process cycles. The centrifugal disc finishing system shown here is a so-called double batch machine. While one batch of media and finished workpieces is separated on the vibratory screening unit, another batch is processed in the work bowl. This helps prevent costly, unproductive times. During the separation stage, the media is falling through a dedicated screen, guided back to the hydraulic loader, and is ready for the next finishing cycle. Undersized media, flash from the workpieces, and other unwanted small particles are discharged from the system with a second specially designed screen deck. Ferromagnetic workpieces can be separated from the media with an optional magnetic separator. In combination with various types of material handling equipment and PLC-controlled process stages, the Trowal double-batch centrifugal disc finishing machines can be expanded into fully automatic and highly efficient production units. Of course, this facilitates their integration into fully automatic manufacturing lines. We improve services.